The proven winners? The Osmocote or Espoma? Perhaps the Scots or the Miracle-Gro? Which one should you buy? In this video, we'll be looking at the top 5 all-purpose flower and vegetable continuous release plant foods available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best all-purpose flower and vegetable continuous release plant foods. The 5th product on this list is the Espoma Organic Plant Tone. Are you ready to transform your garden? Enhance your landscape while aiding the environment with Plant Tone. Crafted from natural and organic materials and enriched with our exclusive biotone formula. Plant Tone is a revered choice for flowers, vegetables, trees, shrubs, and lawns. Utilize Plant Tone fertilizer during spring and fall for general application or as needed for specific plantings. This nutrient-rich mixture packs a punch with our potent biotone formula, making it a concentrated all-purpose organic fertilizer. Boasting a generous 3% phosphorus content and beneficial calcium levels, it is both effective and eco-friendly. Moreover, it stimulates robust root growth, improves flower and fruit production, and enhances leaf margins and coloration. By providing plants with the right nutrients, they consume less water. Plus, its composition is free from sludges or other harmful components, allowing for weekly use in your garden, surrounding flowers and shrubs, on lawns, along walkways and driveways, and even for managing salt accumulation in winter ice melt areas. This potent 5-3-3 blend empowers plants to flourish with stronger growth, healthier blooms, accelerated fruiting, and more vibrant colors. Its pros are: its organic formula promotes greener grass for both flowers and vegetables, it contains 3% calcium to protect lawns from disease, and its granular application is a breeze and will feed even large lawns. However, it may take a few weeks to see results. The Espoma Organic Plant Tone is an all-purpose plant food perfect for all your plants. This naturally derived organic fertilizer provides a rich blend of the finest natural and organic ingredients, enhanced with an exclusive biotone formula, so you can get the most out of your garden. Up next in 4th place is the Miracle-Gro Shake and Feed. Looking to cultivate robust, vibrant, and productive plants? Rejuvenate their splendor, enhance plant vitality, and maximize yield in your garden with this exceptional product. Abundant with essential nutrients that nurture plants from both above and below the soil. This plant food is carefully designed not to cause burning when used as directed. As an all-purpose continuous release plant food, it boasts natural ingredients and sustains nourishment for an impressive 3-month period. We appreciate its unique formulation, which specifically caters to the provision of vital micronutrients and natural ingredients for plants that outshine their unfed counterparts in terms of strength and productivity. Rest assured, this product guarantees burn-free application when used correctly, and it is available in sizes ranging from 2 to 8 pounds. By continuously supplying nutrients and moisture via the roots, it fortifies plants, promoting their resilience and well-being, even in unfavorable weather conditions with limited rainfall or watering. Simply utilize it as needed throughout the growing season to nourish and invigorate your cherished flowers and plants. Its pros are: it is formulated with micronutrients that encourage healthy growth and will help plants yield larger quantities of fruits and vegetables. It can be applied to both indoor and outdoor plants in garden beds or flower pots. And it comes in a large 8-pound bag, able to provide the right amount of food to all your plants. However, it has an unpleasant odor, so it may not be suitable around pets. The Miracle-Gro Shake and Feed provides continuous feeding of nutrients to help feed and nourish above and below the soil. It's ideal for use on the ground and in containers. Still haven't found an all-purpose flower and vegetable continuous release plant food that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Scots All Continuous Release Plant Food. Discover the effortless path to maintaining the beauty and abundance of your plants. No need to master the art of professional gardening to create a landscape brimming with vibrant blooms. This exceptional formula harnesses top-notch nutrients that work wonders for fostering exquisite flowers, robust root systems, and bountiful harvests, offering a continuous surge of nourishment. It springs into action immediately upon application, stimulating root growth and fostering luxuriant foliage. Moreover, it provides sustained feeding for up to 2 months, ensuring breathtaking blooms and plentiful harvests. What's more, it bestows a comprehensive mineral concentration of 10-10-10, bolstering root strength, fueling profuse flowering, and promoting the well-being of your cherished vegetables. Thanks to its granular composition, it effortlessly integrates into the soil, safeguarding it from the challenges of arid weather conditions. This user-friendly product is designed with safety in mind, and when used as directed, it poses no risk of burning your precious plants. Simply apply it directly to the soil, sit back, and behold as your plants flourish with luscious green foliage and magnificent blossoms. It's the ideal choice for busy gardeners who strive for outstanding results without the fuss. Its pros are: its well-balanced 10-10-10 plant food formula also contains 2% sulfur that helps to create stronger plants. It only has to be reapplied every 2 months, and the 3 pounds bag covers 150 square feet. And its continuous slow-release formula makes sure the plants receive their nutrition at the right time. However, it might not be the best for use on potted plants. The Scott's All Continuous Release Plant Food keeps your plants healthy and strong. The best way to encourage beautiful flowers and abundant harvests is to use quality plant food. The second product on this list is the proven winner's continuous release fertilizer. Bid farewell to amateur feeding blunders with the aid of a remarkable time-release fertilizer. Crafted with the home gardener in mind, it arrives in a user-friendly 2.5-pound container, complete with a convenient shaker top and measuring scoop. The 15-7-15 fertilizer blend boasts a strategic composition: 15% nitrogen to invigorate foliage growth, 7% phosphate for robust roots and abundant blossoms, and 15% potassium for overall well-being and resilience against diseases. This powerful blend will diligently fortify your plants, ensuring long-term strength and vitality. Rest easy knowing that you won't risk overfeeding your plants or subjecting them to nutrient burn caused by excessive nitrogen. Ideal for annuals, perennials, flowering shrubs, and vegetable gardens. This fertilizer is a reliable choice. Time-release formulas are intelligently governed by temperature, granting your plants precisely what they require at the right moments, minimizing guesswork. When you strive for optimal outcomes, it's crucial to rely on the finest provisions available, nurture your plant's happiness, and witness accelerated growth, enhanced health, and resplendent vibrancy. Its pros are: it's easy to use as you do not need to repot or dig into fertilizing your plant. It helps feed your plant for 6 months, and it's suitable to be used on soil and in containers. However, it's far more effective when used with flowering plants. The proven winner's continuous release fertilizer provides a slow, steady release of nutrients over a long period of time, making it ideal for all seasons. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top all-purpose flower and vegetable continuous release plant food is the Osmocote Smart Release Plant Food. Indulge your plants with the unparalleled excellence of Osmocote, a true gardening aficionado's delight, meticulously formulated to provide a gradual and uniform nourishment journey. It nourishes your plants from root to tip, ensuring their continuous well-being. Embrace the convenience of a quick and effortless feeding solution that works tirelessly round the clock. No need to disrupt the soil or delicate roots. This remarkable slow-release formula effortlessly dispenses nutrients, elevating your gardening experience to new heights. Whether tending to indoor or outdoor plants, this versatile product is your go-to companion. Just adhere to the package instructions for optimal dosage. But wait, there's more. It delivers an impeccable nutrient balance, maximizing both flower and fruit production while fortifying root development. With sizes ranging from 4-pound bags to 60-pound pails, it caters to all your plant nurturing needs, ensuring they consistently flourish. This highly concentrated formula serves as a boon for beds and borders, offering supplemental nutrients that empower plants to thrive. Remember, plants require a diverse array of nutrients to thrive robustly, but absorbing them all at once is an impossibility until now. Its pros are: its high total nutrient formula of 14-14-14 delivers the optimum NPK ratio for maximum growth, flowering, and fruiting. It safely promotes a healthy and abundant harvest without the risk of root burn. It is suitable for perennials as well as seasonal crops, and it delivers nutrients very gradually to boost growth throughout the season. However, it is not recommended for flowers or vegetables grown in containers. The Osmocote Smart Release Plant Food is a brilliant product for any gardening enthusiast because it allows you to effortlessly increase harvest yield, boosts the soil quality, extends blooming seasons, and protects your plants from disease. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.